Hey there, tech enthusiasts. I'm John Parker, and welcome back to Tech Studio 24. Today, we're exploring a fascinating piece of history that ties Java and JavaScript together. Believe it or not, their names aren't a coincidence. There's a marketing strategy behind it. Let's dive into the historical similarities between these two languages. 1. The rise of Java. First, let's rewind to the early 1990s. Java was developed by Sun Microsystems and officially released in 1995. It was initially called Oak, but it was later renamed to Java. The language became extremely popular due to its platform independence, thanks to the Java Virtual Machine, JVM, which allowed developers to write code once and run it anywhere. Java quickly gained traction for building enterprise applications and desktop software, and eventually became the go-to language for Android development. 2. Enter JavaScript. Now, here's where the story gets interesting. At the same time Java was gaining popularity, Netscape Communications was developing a lightweight scripting language for the web. Originally named Mocha, then LiveScript, it was designed to make web pages more interactive by enabling things like dynamic content, form validation, and animations. But here's the catch. Netscape wanted to capitalize on Java's rising fame. In 1995, they partnered with Sun Microsystems and rebranded LiveScript to JavaScript. 3. Why the name JavaScript? The name JavaScript was purely a marketing move. Netscape wanted to ride on the coattails of Java's growing popularity and create an association between their new web-based scripting language and Java. This is why the names are so similar, even though the languages themselves are vastly different. Despite the naming connection, JavaScript was never meant to be a simpler version of Java. It was created specifically for web development, whereas Java was intended for more complex, standalone applications. The confusion that followed. The similar names caused, and still cause, confusion. Many new developers assume Java and JavaScript are closely related, when in fact, they serve entirely different purposes and have very different syntaxes and uses. The only real connection between Java and JavaScript is the time period in which they were developed and the marketing strategy that linked them in name. Conclusion. So while Java and JavaScript share a bit of history in their naming and timing, they are two very different tools. JavaScript's name may have been chosen to take advantage of Java's success, but over time, both languages carved out their own distinct niches in the programming world. That's all for today's lesson. Thanks for tuning in to Tech Studio 24. I'm John Parker, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech history and coding tutorials.